Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play humans in Warcraft 3. To begin, understand that humans are a highly adaptable race, capable of both swift early attacks and powerful late-game strategies. Your initial hero choice, such as the Archmage or Paladin, is crucial for setting the pace. Prioritize building a strong economy with several farms to ensure a steady gold flow. A balanced army of footmen and riflemen will serve you well in most engagements, offering both durability and ranged damage. For your early game, start by constructing an altar of kings and a barracks right after your initial farm. Begin training footmen and send one to scout your opponent's base, gathering vital information. Your hero, accompanied by footmen, should then focus on clearing neutral creep camps to gain valuable experience and powerful items. Remember to research the defend ability for your footmen. It significantly reduces incoming ranged damage, making them much more resilient in early skirmishes. As you transition into the mid-game, upgrade your town hall to a keep, and then to a castle, unlocking more advanced units and technologies. It's crucial to establish a second gold mine to ensure a robust and sustained resource income, fueling your expanding army. Recruit a second hero, perhaps a mountain king, to provide powerful stun abilities and enhance your combat effectiveness. Depending on your strategy, construct arcane sanctums for spellbreakers or workshops for powerful siege engines to control the battlefield. In the late game, ensure all available upgrades at your blacksmith and lumber mill are researched to maximize your army's potential. Your army composition should now include powerful spellcasters like priests and sorceresses, providing healing and crowd control, alongside your robust melee units. For air superiority, deploy Griffon Riders or Dragonhawk Riders to counter enemy flying units or siege structures. During engagements, prioritize focusing fire on enemy heroes and critical units to quickly dismantle their forces and secure victory.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.